I'm just going here through Snapchat dual camera on Product Hunt. It's a new feature when Snapchat is trying to take on BeReal, but it's trying to do it more, more interesting. There are different layouts. There is vertical, horizontal, cutout, and picture-in-picture layouts, where you can use both front and back camera. As I don't yet have it on my Snapchat, I updated Snapchat app, but I don't have it, so I'll just show on these screenshots. So here, as you can see, this dual camera is in top right sidebar, just under the music icon. And to change layouts, just tap on that, and then you will have vertical, horizontal, then you will have picture-in-picture, third one, and then the last one you will have cutout. Cutout means that your face is basically on the image. Dual camera, picture-in-picture means your image is like bottom left or something, and then vertical means that it's horizontal means the camera is front camera is lower and back camera is higher or something like that. And then then you have just the standard horizontal. So these are the overviews which you can try to use, like dual camera on Snapchat, and then you can create your snaps and send them to your friends or upload to Spotlight. So that's basically the idea, and hope this is helpful.